Okay, we're gonna make a boat out of this box. I'm gonna show you the easiest way of making a boat. Anybody can do it. Very simple. So first, let's cut all the corners. Okay, next, let's cut this in the middle. That's simple. It's gonna be like this. We're gonna cut this a little bit and this. Now this is gonna go to the bottom of the ship. Okay, next we stick these 5 pieces together first and we'll decide what to do next. We have this, it will come here. In the middle, like this, and put it here. And do the same thing on the other side too. Okay, now here we have the shape of the boat. Now it really looks like a boat. Now we need to cover this. To do that, we just put this underneath and draw it. So you got the shape and you just need to cut the shape. Okay, now it's covered, very nice. Next step, we need something to be on top. Of course, we can't cover the whole thing, so we just put this much first and the rest we'll do it later. To do that, okay, we just need to draw this. Okay, here I have, because this one has to go inside, so I have to cut it a little smaller, and I might want to make a little curve here so it will look nicer. Okay, after cutting, this will go inside. Of course, I need to cut the corner a little bit so I can force it in. Okay, now I just need to cover this part and that part. See? Okay, so roughly I finished the boat. This is what it looks like at the bottom. In fact, if you spray lacquer on this so that it's waterproof, this definitely can float on water. The cardboard is a very cheap quality cardboard, so it doesn't look very nice after it's cut. But just to give you an idea how it's made, it's very easy. Now on top here you can put buildings, you can put houses, you can decorate with some toys, you can just cut any shape to add on top here. Okay, so I've cut some of these pieces. Just simply make any shapes and stack them together.